Buongiorno! Today we're on Ospedaletti, on the Riviera dei Fiori. Now I'm going to show you this luxury modern villa with this beautiful infinity swimming pool and outdoor spaces. Set on the private and dominant location, this villa enjoys the lush of the Mediterranean Sea and the beauty of this nature. In this part of the house we have the shaded area to mangiare al fresco. And here on my right we have the jacuzzi area. So now entering the house, we are entering directly to the dining area. As you have already guessed, we are on the main floor on this beautiful villa. Here we have the kitchenette. To the left from the kitchen, we have the TV area. And of course, here on this level we have two bedrooms. One of that is master one and the other now is used as the luxury walk-in wardrobe. Of course, being the main floor, here we have two bathrooms. This is the guest one. And this is the second bathroom with a walk-in shower. From this ensuite bathroom, we're entering directly to the wardrobe and to the master bedroom. Taking into account that this villa was built in 3 floors, of course, they are all interconnected with the internal elevator. We are now on the upper floor of this villa, which should be still finished. Here also have the garage. We are now entered on the second floor of this villa, which is separated from the first one. Here we have the living area with the open space and kitchenette. To the right from the kitchen we have the exit to the terrace and to the garden. On the left part we have the master bedroom and the bathroom. Of course, all of the premises, the bedroom and the living area, have the direct access to this south-facing terrace. As you can see, this is a really big villa that could be perfectly used as the primary residence or the secondary residence. In fact, we have almost 300 square meters here. So now we're in the garage, and here we also have the third apartment. We're now entering into the third apartment on the ground floor, which is also connected by the elevator to the main 2 ones. So today we demonstrated you this stunning and really outperforming house with a 10 kilowatt photovoltaic system, air conditioning everywhere, floor heating and the smart home system. The asking price of the house is 2.3 million euros. For more info, please follow us on socials and our website.